Welcome in this HTML tutorial for beginners. We will start from scratch till you become intermediate. I can't say you will be advanced. Then after this tutorial, I will make another tutorial for advanced HTML. So, firstly, let we have a close look about HTML. What is HTML? The construction, the requirements, and finally the plan of this tutorial. So, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext means that the document contains links that allow the reader to jump to another places in the document or in another document. And markup language means it's considered as a way that computers speak to each other to control how text is processed and presented. So HTML can create any website. So briefly, let me say that HTML is the core for any website. Then let me see the construction of HTML. So to create HTML page, we have to use two things, tags and attributes. Tags are used to mark up the start of an HTML element, and they are usually enclosed in angle brackets. So here is an example for HTML tags. We have a start tag and an end tag, and the content or the text is inside the two tags. Then the attributes contain additional pieces of information. Attributes take the form of an opening tag, and additional info is placed inside. So here is an example. This is an image element, and src, which is short for source, is considered as an attribute. So this attribute just use with image to specify the directory for this image. And also we have style tag to add styles for the text or for picture or any HTML element. So the requirements, in up-to-date browser, you can use Google Chrome, Firefox, or even Internet Explorer, but make sure that it's the latest versions. Then text editor to type the code. You can use Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code, but during this course we will use Visual Studio Code. Even you can use normal Notepad, but I don't recommend this. So the plan or the steps that we will be following in each lesson. The first part in the lesson will be an introduction for the lesson and what you're gonna learn from this lesson. Then the lesson explanation, and finally a quiz to review what you have learned from this lesson. So I hope now you are motivated to learn HTML, especially if it's easy to learn. So have a nice day and see you in the next lesson.